Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to forget the Wi-Fi network on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we need to open the settings, then go to Wi-Fi, and of course over here you should be able to find the Wi-Fi that you are connected to right now. If you want to forget this Wi-Fi network that you have been connected to right now, then you can tap on it and then you should be able to find forget this network. You can also do the same thing with my network, so networks that are saved that you have been connected to in the past, which you are not connected to right now. So you can tap on it as well. And of course you will try to connect to it, but let's actually switch back to the old one. But if you don't want to connect, then you can press on this eye icon on the right side, and then you also have the option to forget this network. And furthermore, we can also tap edit in the top right corner in order to also find all networks that you have been connected to, or to find all known networks. And then once again, you can, for instance, press this button in order to delete the network, or you can once again press the eye icon in order to find the forget this network button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!